Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of Basic of Crochet. In this episode, we are going to learn the three basic stitches of crochet. So to begin with, we'll start with the magical knot. We twist it on our fingers and pull through. That is our magical knot. We take this magical knot and put it on our crochet hook. We adjust the magical knot and then start making the chain. So now we'll have this 6th chain and then we'll start with the single crochet. So we put the needle into the second chain, pull through. We have two on the hook and pull through both. Same way we'll do for the next chain, 2 on the hook and pull through both. We'll continue the same through all the stitches. That's a single crochet. This is supposed to be the tightest stitch in crochet. So as you can see, these are the 6 single crochet. They are really tight and there is hardly any air to pass through. Now we'll do the double crochet. So in double crochet we chain 2 first, we count that as 1 stitch. Then we'll go to the chain right next to our first stitch, pull through 2 and pull through 2. It's again yarn over, put it into the next chain, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, put into the next chain, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is how we'll finish all these 6 stitches. You can see a lot of difference between the single crochet and the double crochet. The single crochet is quite tight and compressed, while the double crochet is very loose, completely the opposite, and it is not even, it is almost double this length of the single crochet. Next we learn half double crochet. For this also we do two chain in the starting and then we pull through all 3. It's like yarn over, put into the next chain, pull through all 3. This way we are completing this line as well of half double crochet. So this is the last stitch of half double crochet. We are done with all the 3 stitches and we can see there's a lot of difference between all the 3 stitches. You have to practice about 10 lines of each stitches and then you will get a hang of it. So do practice and meet you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.